many of all these modern women, they don't want their ass again. That is the gospel truth. Many don't want their ass again. They want you to use mental health to come up from marriage. They don't born 1 or 2 children. They okay with the baby mama level. They fuck the waka. Not true. Now they happen now. But notwithstanding, so women, they suffer from abuse for marriage. And if you just raise your hand, knock woman, my own ideology, as you just knock the woman, make the woman you come out the marriage, because the day you go raise your hand, knock you, you can't look at her love. The next day go kill you. That is just the gospel truth. But so they not they knock them, nothing, they not they beat them. Oh. Now they remove the problem for the marriage. Oh. When they don't tired, many married women now they go doing yash now. I don't know the matter. Many married women now, so first of all, now complex issue they worry some of them. Because they still say their husband now they carry all the girls when they do yash now. They won't go do yash too. Even as you do the yash, your husband still they carry the girl when the yash still big past your yash. They like you do yash, do breast, do lip. Eh? Man won't want the ass go the ass. Some of all these married women, as you see them now, so many of them when they now, so you see many not even breast again now. Now mental health they go put for front. They put mental health on front. Say they won't protect their mental health. So what you do? So you see married woman, so married woman they go doing and showing you come Instagram call the twerk. Who you the twerk for? No, who you the twerk for now? Because this talk, we need to just talk and make the common ground. Your husband never get work. Yeah, they just drop your husband for work. You never reach 1 year or 2 years. You know feel beer. You don't talk to the man in here. The next thing you don't talk mental health. Mental health, so you not call to suffer. You not call to this, so you not call to that. That's what it be. These are the problem. Some the men themselves now not even they try to protect the woman mental health. Now not go try to protect the woman mental health. Sometimes you not go communicate with my wife. When I know say ass no good all this kind of thing. Still talk. You not get work. Still talk. Communicate with your wife, make you know, make she still get hope. Ha! You just the pressure. We know say the pressure not easy. Pressure, you just quiet. The woman, you keep the woman in the dark. Before you see that the woman will come out, the friends they go party, the friends that they live where, the husband, before you see the husband don't buy a villa, all those guys, the woman friends they update. You know about pressure. The woman will say you want to protect your mental health, so you don't come out for marriage. So maybe they walk up, pium. Excuse me. Now put mental health for front. Now divorce be like water. Marriage now plan B for many women. Now marriage now plan B. Not even the way our parents that time they'll say when you don't go school finish as a woman, you don't the work small. Yeah, you go find man coming don't marry all this kind of level. Now women don't think of marriage now. Some they won't just born one pikin, maybe they'll be baby mama. Now, some dream not to be baby mama. They don't want enter any man. So the way prick hungry there, they go test different prick and different size. Nobody say they just log themselves down the test one prick. Some women, if they're quick married, they come up for the life. As they don't do the marriage now, they come like say the husband is slow there. They need to protect their mental health. They don't put mental health for front, so they need to come out the marriage with the pikin. They blast to outside. Many men now they push on our wife. They carry mental health, they put for front. You talk, you know, mental health. It's another problem now. If you look social media now, everything they see now, they read now. Mental health, my happiness. I think shut up. I shower your eye. Prick the hungry you. You know your husband, they shout mental health. You know how many mental health your mama suffer. Now put mental health for front. Mental health. Divorce be like water now. If you ask person when with your wife married 3 months ago, they'll say, oh, but they don't share. Divorce be like water. If you don't want to marry, don't marry. If you don't enter inside the business of marriage, pain. Just pain. But if the man they beat you, fly. I know they advise domestic violence. Discharge. Some men, the woman don't enter inside the matter finish now. So you woman now, you don't see the man he also call get the way it be normally. Marriage now for better for worst. You like you don't know what to be the worst though. Better for worst. I know the Rick or anything, the way not be like say at the talk. As at 2015, 2016, my business went down. I was dead broke. Very broke. Once. Dead, very as in dead, broke, rich everywhere. My wife will work for bank then. We manage ourselves. Today not be us there. For our 3 bedroom we stay for. Today not be we get full house today. So everything not be we save. My wife get everything. You don't understand? Because all the work when I don't work for now, so I not call it for this drag. Who are the drag party for? All the work when I work, not be the woman I go give. All those things they give them value. Because they want the draggers paper, all this thing. I won't die leave theirs. I won't carry the house go heaven. Everything that they work for belongs to my wife and my children. That is marriage. You go see some men and you get small Lexus when I reach 13 million. How much be 13 million in dollars? First, your 13 million in dollars if I be calculate not reach $20,000. You know the whole strong. Now my motto, Akbar. As you they shine every day, now your wife, your family is supposed to be the reflection of you. Your family is supposed to shine. You want to shine, then your family go to super. Some of you now, you are your husband and wife now get one motor now. Say more now wife the entire keke. You are as a man. You carry person picky call me the entire keke dead chap. May your wife enter Okada. May your wife enter boss. And you say I get one keke guy when I go just shatter the keke we go to carry my wife. Are you normal? Who you dey work for? Your wife not gonna know your balance. You know your wife does not even know anything, your income or nothing. She doesn't know anything about you. Little things matter. Be your family, be your wife. Your wife might be your TYC. She's supposed to know everything about you because she been there. They want the phone. I be man. Ajikipalo end. I be man. Ajikipalo end. When you reach us, you're supposed to comport yourself. See many women, many young girls, you'll see 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Look from 25 years to 35 years now. Look at the rate of divorce. Look at the rate of divorce. Some women on her head not correct on the normal day. On her head not correct. As when I don't enter the marriage, because now big things some of them don't time to enter the marriage. If you don't reason the boy, papa, or reason the boy pocket, or the boy don't like you. Because they must lie give una for the feel fuck una. If they talk truth, una not go feel want settle down with the boy. If they tell una say na so it be lie. They must lie give una for una to say okay, man, I'm not poor for this one. Una don't put it inside the thing, not the go as plan. Una come mental health. And mental health now couple for front. Nonsense. If you tell your wife your account balance, it not mean say you give her the money. If you say you normally you must settle us. Say 500,000 corner. You must carry the children first. Put 50,000. If you earn 500,000 a month, put 50,000 for your children account first. If you get 2 children, give your wife 100,000, make yours stay look good. Put 100,000 for us, make her stay do all right. The remaining 200, you know understand. You should be man. We say okay, you want to save. Like me, I know they save. As far as I don't give my children their own, give my wife your own, give them maybe they do for us. All those diesel, all those kind of things from that 200. That will take the settle us. Then the remaining one, I shop plan. I'm not taking on myself now. Is everybody not alright? Everybody is alright. And the people when I tell them who they verse me. No, the rate of divorce in this country and the name mental health is becoming a problem. Before you see now, a lot of people go to commit suicide. But This thing a national issue. Oh. This thing a national issue. Mental health. Auntie go come mental health, mental health, and I prick the hungry. You don't see one small boy now we don't carry iron, chest all day. You don't look your husband when you marry people for us, they get big belly. You don't see chest, you like chest, you define prick. You say na mental health you put for front. Say, oh, my husband, he does not work hard. He does not work hard. And now the boy who you see where they carry iron, I don't the day you are. Ashawo. I beg. Una good night, I beg. Mental health problem tire person.